Beach, Dine on Pine. That's it. All the proceeds from tonight go to post-secondary scholarships for our young folks and our support services. So any Corps member that wants to go to college, go to trade school, they want to come, any alumni can come back and apply for a scholarship and for support services again. So your money's going to a really, really good cause.
And I want to just salute you all for being here for the right reasons. And that is for those Corps members in the back. This organization, I support and believe in what this organization does, but career development and youth development is really, I think, at the core of what the Long Beach Conservation Corps is really about.
What I hope for other Corps members is that they're able to benefit from the project work and the training in the ways that I have. And I'm not sure if I would have taken this opportunity had I not gained my experiences through the Corps.
Norma is very grateful for this award and this honor. What an amazing woman and what an amazing leader.
Norma has an amazing amount of energy. I would say in the past few years I've noticed that her focus, the things that she really wants to hear about are the things that impact youth in our county. I'm sad that she couldn't be here. We accept this with great thanks and gratitude toward the Conservation Corps of Long Beach and Dan himself.
So much for coming out, for our young folks supporting the Corps. By being here tonight, you're all honorary members of the Conservation Corps of Long Beach, and we look to see you in the community. We hope you can continue to support us. And again, thank you so much for coming out tonight, everyone. Thank you.